Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers supply for my subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Yeah, we got some price drops, huge price drops. $19.98. This is the Lufkin Shock Force, 25 feet with level. This is a really nice tape measure. This is the one that comes in black, the night eye that you call it. It is on both sides, labeled on both sides, so it is one of the better ones to get. It does come with a nice label there. $9.98 as utility knife and a tape measure, 25 feet. This is a really great price here for $9. That's this controlled series. And it does have a brake. So as you guys do see, that's how it looks. And nothing on the back. So that is the knife there. A quick blade change there. This is the Craftsman trade stack. The new totes or toolbox or tool bags. It's a pretty nice. It does have a lot of pockets inside. It does have a plastic bottom. So, and it is compatible with all this trade stack stuff. So definitely check it out. It says full accessibility. Guess you can open it, and then you can move the divider in the middle. 66 pounds capacity. So yeah, that's the divider. You guys can move around. So guys, lots of features on those tool bags. So definitely check that out. And you got some more pockets there. Plastic bottoms. Like I said, very compatible with the Versus stack. You got the Pony 2-in-1. This is a Clampy work table, sawhorse, 500-pound capacity. So $139 for this one. It's very interesting how they made it. It does have 3 clamps, or 2 clamps from what it looks like. Built in the table. You got the Tough Built XL massive mouth rolling tool bag. Then you got this one, $39.98 for the Tough Built Soft Horse. Regular price $44.98. You guys see them there. And then you got for the smaller 16-inch, $24.98. That's pretty nice. And then for the 1124. A nice black one right there at the bottom. Visibility. Alright, you got these on this one, $59.98 on clearance, $79.98 regular price there. Johnson. You got some caps here, $16.99 regular price, $24.99. And it is green, the green light, so these are easier to see on the eyes. You got a human part engineer. This is a real mower, 18-inch, $189 down from $199. And then this one's a really good deal, guys. $59.47 from $119. This is a combo kit with the small battery. I believe it does include a small battery and a charger. It is a blower and a string trimmer. Then you got this one. This is a Cobalt 40-volt string trimmer, $93. Some of the stores are even seeing this way lower than that. So make sure you guys keep your eyes peeled when you go to your Lowe's. You got $99 for this drill driver. Comes with the battery charger, and then you got this mechanics toolkit, $239 for $99. And you got that miter saw there, the compact miter saw or chop saw. All right, you got this under hood light at $74. So we're waiting for this one to drop a little bit more so we can pick it up. It's already 50% off, or almost 50% off. You got a Cobalt Pro flooring knee pads, $15. Not the best deal. It is on clearance, but not the best quality. I did not like them. It doesn't feel like gel or anything like that. So it feels just like cheap foam. Alright, $2.99 for the 2-tool combo kit. You get a free tool if you buy that combo kit. Most of these are, or actually all of these are power detect. This is a great deal if you guys can still find it in the stores. As you guys do see, they still have a lot of tools available, but they don't have the kits. So all the tools are still available, but they don't have any kits. Isn't that crazy? So yeah, you got all the tools you guys could get for free if you guys are lucky enough to find them. Alright, $2.99. They got this Metabo HPT. This is a miter saw. It's a 10-inch double bevel sliding compass miter saw. $2.99 down from $3.99. And then $2.29 for this one. This was a 12-inch compound miter saw. Yeah, it's very similar to the other one. The other one's a slider, I believe. It's top of the line. This one's like mid-grade type of thing. So compound miter saw. I don't know if this one's a slider, but it is a dual bevel, I believe. So pretty nice, and it does have a laser. $2.29. This is I believe this is a 10-inch miter saw. Sliding compound miter saw. Regular price $2.99. Then you got the 12-inch. This is $3.49. A dual bevel slider. Down from $3.69. So lots of good deals on these miter saws. And then you got this Craftsman $2.29. Alright, you got the Craftsman drill driver here, $59. That's the kit. You got some DeWalt tools here, $5.29. I believe this was cheaper on the Black Friday, but you know, hopefully they'll clearance these out. And yeah, once they clearance these out, then I'll probably pick myself one of those. $2.99 for this combo kit here at the top. This is like a woodworking combo kit. $59 for this mechanics tool set. 83 piece. So that's a pretty good deal on this one, actually. So definitely check it out. Alright, so you got V20 brushless hammer drill tool only, $39. And then you got $59 for this drill driver, 1/2 inch. That's pretty much what we saw. Then we got a drill driver kit to $54. So I don't know what the difference is between those. $47 for the SDS rotor hammer. That's a killer deal, guys. That is a killer deal. $89.47 hammer drill. $59 for the impact driver kit. Yeah, lots of good deals. $51 for the impact driver kit. $59 for the impact wrench. 3/8 impact wrench. I saw this as low as like $41, I believe, in another store. $51 for this brushless impact driver. That's a really good deal on that. That's a killer deal on this one. So yeah, lots of good deals just left and right. That is the SDS rotary hammer there, $47. That's a really good deal on that one. So definitely check it out. Regular price $119. And you got this impact driver bare tool, $43. Bare 49 down from $79. And you got 108 reciprocating saw bare tool clearance. So that is it right there. We'll get $112 down from $119 in the circ saw. 7 1/4. And then you got this miter saw stand, $129. That's actually a nice miter saw stand. Does have the wheels and everything, so down from $159. All right, guys, this is the best deal of all of these. A lot of you probably got them. I personally tried to go get mine, but as you guys do see, they sold out. That is a killer deal. Make sure you guys keep your eyes peeled at your nearest Lowe's. It's just crazy how much they lowered that for more than 50%. Down to from like $300 and something. They lowered that down to $164. So that's just a killer deal. I did try and get it, but like I said, I couldn't find it. Several different stores were out of stock. Alright, you got 1/2 inch compact drill driver. Guys, this one's a really good deal. On some stores, it's down to $279. That is a smoking killer deal. If you guys could find this thing for $279, you're gonna be lucky. Especially if this is your first tool set, you guys are gonna be lucky to have that. So, all right, you got this one. This one's a 2-pack of the Night Eye, I believe. Yep. A 2-pack for $34. I'm still gonna wait for these to drop even lower. Hopefully they'll drop. Alright, you got $99 for the Bosch 2 tool, 20 volt max cordless combo kit. 12 volts. Then you got $179 for the Bosch 2 tool combo kit, 18 volt brushless combo kit. And I believe that was on the wrong side. Anyways, you got this on clearance. This is a 3-point self-leveling alignment laser. Down to $78. It's on clearance from $119. So it's a pretty good deal on this one too. So definitely check it out. $49 for the Bosch 18 volt 2 amp hour tool battery there. I believe they were giving this one out buy one get one free a few weeks back. $139 for the 2 tool combo kit. You got 36 volts metal triple hammer, $199. You got $99 for the circ saw. This is a 36 volt tool, multi-volt tool, so you can put it at 18 volt or 36 volt. You got the metal 36 volt reciprocating saw, $99. You got a 2-piece combo kit triple hammer, $149. It's a killer deal. Some of the stores are even having it lower than that. $249 for the Metabo 4-tool combo kit. $139 for the 2 18 volt brushless combo kit with soft case. Killer deals on those. $99 for the circ saw, as we said before. And I believe that was just a 36 volt, by the way. I don't know if I said 18 volt. But yeah, I believe it only takes those multi-volt batteries. Those are 36 volt tools. Got the hammer drill and impact driver, $149. Alright, so we got the 36 volt multi-volt charger kit. 1 battery included. Select the Metabo bare tool for free. So definitely check that one out. It's a killer deal. Alright, so we got the Freak, $99 with the 2 amp hour battery. And then hammer drill, $99. Hammer drill kit. As you guys do see, 1/2 inch hammer drill. We got the Flex, 24 volt 1/2 inch brushless drill driver with soft case. You got up until the December 29. Yeah, so December 29 on that, and that's the way it looks. Get yourself a nice drill with the battery, with the lifetime warranty. Then you got this one. This one's I believe the Chameleon 2 amp hour battery starter kit. $149, down from $199. So guys, that's it for today. Killer deal on that Metabo 12 volts or 12-inch miter saw. Make sure you guys look up that one near your store. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.